Hello everyone. So today I'm learning a new concept called uh, Rollup, which is a way to is a extension of group by uh, that allow us to make to get aggregate results on multiple levels. So this is a because it's my first time to learn this concept. I find it's a little bit hard to understand. So I would like to go over it together with you guys. So here I have the tables, and this is, as you can see, this is the customer order. So we have the customer name, the order days, the type of pizza they order, and the price. So what we want, or basically what roll ups can do, is it can be mostly useful to make the calculation for subtotal and grand total. So for example, I can use with a single with a in a single query. So which means, for example, for customer Jack, we can calculate their total price, and then for and then the total price for all the customer, which is their which means their total um, spending on the pizza. So as we can see, we will apply the aggregate functions in this query. So we are interested in the customer name, the order date, as well as the price. And we would like to calculate the um, total consumption for each customer. So we would like to use a group by clause. And then since I include customer name and order date, these should be included in group by. And then since we want find the total span, so we'll apply the sum function on the price, and we give it edit as total span. So as you can see, we can get the total spend uh, for each customer at a given date. And now we want to apply the rollup um, query. So we can apply rollup, and here we will get our subtotal. You can see we have a new row which has no value on the order date, and it will calculate the total spending for customer Jack. And then at the end of this table, we would have no value in customer name, no value on order date, but a total spending for all customers. So we shall break it down in more details regarding how rollup works in this case. So um, first of all, as you can see that rollup is particularly useful when we want to calculate total and grand total, as illustrated before. And the way it works is goes through with a hierarchy relationship of multiple columns. It will start with the most detailed grouping. So which means it will start with the group by customer name and order name first. This is the first step which will rollup do. And then the next step, what they will do is to remove, and then they will progressively remove the columns to make a broader calculations. So as you can see, the second thing to do, they remove the order date and returns null. And the null here basically means uh, the uh, the the order for customer Jack regardless of the order date, and then they will calculate the subtotal. And same will apply to other customer Jerry, J, Tom. Third, it will remove the customer name. So here we should be careful because the orders does matter. So it will start with the red columns, and then progressively it will remove the customer name columns as well. And then it remove customer, and you can see here the customer name becomes null, which means for all the customers at all dates, and calculate the grand total. So here it's not just subtotal, it's the grand total, which is the total consumption for all customers at all dates. So that's why we'll get the totals, grand totals, at the end of this table. So that's explain the logic behind the Rollup. It's a very powerful tool. Thank you for watching.